Hi everyone, you are welcome to this very important section of our graphic design class. I'm so much happy. I'm very excited about this class. This video is a very important video and I want you to pay very good attention to all what we are going to learn in this video. At the end of this video, you would have known how to design a flyer with your mobile phone. So I want you to pay attention. Watch it closely. If you don't understand any part of this video, just go back and watch it again. That is what you're going to do. Now, let's go straight to what we are going to design. Once again, my name is Peter of Pixellab Innovations. The first thing I want to do now is to remove this new text you're seeing on the screen right now. So I'm going to select it and click on the delete. Okay, it's gone. Now, what I want to do now is to show you the flyer we are going to design. So let me just bring it in through the plus button from gallery. Okay, I'm going to bring it in now. Let's see, what are we going to design? Let's see the project or the flyer that we want to work on. Okay, where is it? Where are you? Come out wherever you are. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is the flyer we are going to design. This flyer is actually for adverts. Can you see this? Isn't it beautiful? Okay, this is what we want to do. This is what we want to design right now. So let us move it one side and see how we are going to do it. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is to bring in the background image and make it look dark, just like it is in this flyer. You know that this flyer, the background is cool, so we are going to bring an image and make it look cool. So that's what we want to do right now. So let me just bring in the image from gallery. That is the image of the female's image. Let's see, let's look for it. I think it's somewhere here. Okay, this is it. Don't forget, at this point, this flyer is for social media. So we want to let it be at ratio 1:1. That is like square. So we click on this 1:1 here. Yes. Then we move it to the side a bit, at least, so that on the right hand side we have space for our write-ups. Okay. That's done. Let's mark it good. Now this is the image. I'm going to make it fill up the page, but by filling it up, by using it to fill up the page, we'll be covering what we are trying to design. So let us bring this one up. I've selected it and I want to bring it up. You click on this shape button here. You look for to front. This is to front. Okay, we have brought this to front. Then we'll make this our background. Okay, sorry, we are actually going to make it look so big and position it to fill the page. Okay, it has filled the page. Okay, good. Now the next thing is we will lock the image. It's selected. We click on the layer button, then we lock it. Okay, that's nice. The image has been locked. You can see that it doesn't move. It can't move from its current position. So the next thing we do is we want to make it look cool. So to make it look cool, we just bring in a shape, a box shape. Yes, the box shape is there, so that's why it just came up. If you want other shapes, you can as well click on another kind of shape. Just go to this small arrow and use another kind of shape. But here, the kind of shape we need is this box. Alright, we mark it good before using. Mark it good. Okay, so we are going to make it fill up the page. Don't forget, if we just make it fill up the page like that, it's going to cover this flyer that we are trying to design. So let me select the flyer and bring it to front. Okay, then I'll continue with what I was doing. To use this white box to fill up the page. Now, yes, we have a complete filled page right now. Somebody will ask that why am I covering up the page? It's because I want to use it for making the image look cool. Now, don't forget, you can reselect the box that you have placed on the page, and we now change the color of that box to black. Let's go and look for black. Let's look for color. Where's color? This color here. Okay, then we enable the color. We change it to black. Now we have a black color. We mark it good. So the next thing we do is we go to opacity, so that we use it to adjust the transparency of that shape. We want to adjust the transparency of our shape, so we'll go to opacity and bring it to like 70. Okay, look at this. Our image is now looking so cool. Isn't that so beautiful? Okay, let me see. Okay, I think we have something similar. Okay, nice. Now we are going to lock that shape. Now let's select the shape and click on the layers button, then we click on the lock on the shape. The shape also has been locked. Close the layer. Okay, the shape is locked, it cannot move. Our image is locked, everything is nice. Now the next thing we do is we are going to place our write-ups on the flyer. We want to place the write-ups on the flyer. We'll start with the learn how to. So that's our text. Let me edit from here. Edit. Erase this. Capital letter L. Learn how to. Okay. So we'll bring it up here. Okay. Learn how to. We'll bring in the design. Okay. Let me bring up the write-ups. Then we'll now design it later. Let me bring up the write-ups. The next one is design. Design text. So I was using the edit from up. Let me use edit from down. If you want to use edit from down, you click on this A button for text, then you edit with this. Okay, so edit. Okay, design. Okay, design. Our design is here. Make it look big. Place it well. Okay, that is done. We'll go to the next write-up is 3D logo text. 3D logo and flyer with your phone. 3D logo and flyer with your phone. Edit from here. 3D logo and flyer. 3D logo and flyer. 3D logo and flyer. Oh, space. Okay. 3D logo and flyer is done. Oh, it remains something. Let me edit it. You press enter. Okay, enter button. Okay, with your phone. Okay, that's it. With your phone, like a pro. So we just need the like a. Let's bring in our text. Let's edit it. Erase the former one. Type what we want. Like a. Okay. You know why I'm bringing up the like a before without the pro? Because the pro's design is different. So I'm going to bring it out separately. So text pro, edit, erase. The pro is actually in capital letters. Pro. Okay. Yeah, our pro is here. Okay. Well, let me increase the size. so that I will be able to move it. Okay, that's a pro there. In 1 week, 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 space this, space it in 1 week. Okay, we have in 1 week now. Then the next write up is fee 1,000, fee 1,000, fee 1,500. Okay, fee it's 1,500. Okay, naira. Not complete yet. Then venue, then DM to get started. Let's edit it again. Enter venue is online, open bracket, WhatsApp, close brackets. WhatsApp, double P, WhatsApp, double P. No, sorry, I've not completed my edit. I've not completed this venue. Then DM to get started. DM to get started. Then only 20 slots. Only 20 slots available. Okay, only 20 slots available. Wow, this is much. Let me reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. Okay, yes, the size has been reduced. Let me just bring this way. Okay, what's next now? Contacts, edit. I don't like that typing. That's why I want to finish all the typing before doing the remaining designs. Contact is 07038616691. Okay, the contact is done. Then the last one is powered by. Okay, edit. Powered by P-Help Innovations. Powered by P-Help Innovations. Okay. Wow. Now let's begin to edit the text one by one. We start with learn how to. Okay. Begin to edit the text one by one. The learn how to. So let's look for a very nice font for it. Very nice font. Okay. Let me just use Blogger Sans. Blogger Sans. Okay. Learn how to. Then design also fonts. So for the design, let me just use arm wrestler. I think this arm wrestler. Okay. I think it's good. Then our 3D logo also. The font is what? the font. Let's just make the font the same. Blogger Sans, like a font. Blogger Sans. Blogger Sans. Okay. The Pro font. The Pro font will be. The Pro font will be what? The Pro font will be what? Onto regular. Onto one regular. Okay, let's use onto one regular, which is the same as the font we have there. Okay. So let's just let me change the 1 week font to 1 week font also to onto regular. Okay. Yes. Now let me stop there for now. The rest are just like normal fonts. So now learn how to, let's make it bigger. Let's just make it a little bit bigger. And we change the color. As we can see in our flyer, the color is what? The color is yellow mark. Design. Wow. Now this design, we are going to do a little work on it. Design. Wow, somebody must have been looking for how we are going to make it look like that. Okay, let's just go ahead and do that. Now we are going to use texture. First we texture the image, the text. Let's texture it with the gene on that lady. If you notice the color on that particular text, you will know that it is the lady's gene. So let's just go to the image. I want to texture it with this gene. So I know you must have been waiting for the moment I will make that design. Okay, don't mind my phone screen, it misbehaves sometimes. Mark. Wow, that is lovely, isn't it? That is lovely. Okay, that's it. Let's mark it good. Yes, it's good. Now the next thing is that we are going to add stroke to it. So we're going to add stroke to it. We also add spacing. Let's add stroke. Let's stroke it. Don't forget, the stroke is like the line color. The stroke is just like the line color. So we enable the stroke and we'll make it white. Okay, if you notice now, the text is a little bit choked up, so that's why we will need to space it. So let's just space it to, like, I think 12. Okay, 14 is okay. 14 is okay. We'll mark it good. Okay, now next thing we'll do now is so simple. We have stroke it, so our stroke color is white. Next thing we'll do now is let's just emboss it. Let's just emboss it. Emboss. Okay, enable emboss. Okay, our intensity is 60. Let's see this ambient light. So let's just leave the ambient light like that at 50. Then let's see this hardness. This hardness also is okay. So bevel, wow, let's make the bevel 100. Can you see that? Can you see what the bevel does? Interesting. So let's leave it at 100. Now the next thing, let's just mark it good. So we're going up gradually. The next thing now is to make it have that shape. So that is perspective. Apply perspective. Let's make it look like this. Interesting, isn't it? Interesting. Okay, mark it good. Our perspective is not there yet. It's not there yet. Think. Okay, let this come down. We have to make sure the base is straight so that we'll get the perspective. Okay, the base has to be straight. Then this also, the top also has to be straight, even if it's going up. Can you see that? So let me mark it good. Yes, I think we are getting something done here. Okay. That's nice. Perspective. Then the next thing we're going to do now is the reflection. The reflection. You can see that the flyer has, the design on the flyer has reflection. So let's look for reflection. Okay, that is reflection. That eye, we just apply it and make it look like the one we are trying to design. Okay. The reflection, think that reflection, let's just put it at, let's remember reduce it very well. Okay, leave it like this. Okay, I'm going to edit this perspective a bit, like our design is. Okay, how is it now? Okay, perspective up, mark. Okay, let's leave it like that. So let's leave it like that. Can you see that? So that is it. But for people to be able to read it well, be able to see it clearly, I'm going to, that thing is going down too much. You understand what I'm saying? I'm going to widen it out a bit. Let's just leave it like this. So the next thing we are going to work on is that 3D logo and flyer with your phone. We change the color. Let's just change the color. Change the font color to yellow. Mark it good. Okay. Then like this one is ordinary text. So let's change the font to what area? Okay, let me see. Normal fonts. Let's leave it like that, so that it doesn't waste our time. So that's it. 3D, come down, like a. Okay, let's color it. Okay, we have font on it already. Let's just change the color. The font is already there. We change the color to yellow as well. Then the pro, yes, let's work on this pro. We're going to work on this pro to make it look so nice and interesting. Pro. So let's change the color first. Change the color to, where's color? Change the color to yellow as well. Yellow. Okay, Then we'll go to 3D. We enable 3D text oblique. So you make it oblique, not perspective. Make it oblique. Okay. So we are going to reduce the depth of the oblique to make it look exactly like what we are working on. Okay, that's it. So we go down and make it darken. We darken it. Okay, darken it. Darken intensity, increase, shadow, increase, hardness, increase, 100, everything 100. Intensity, shadow, spectacular hardness, 100. Okay. Now we are getting there, isn't it? So that's what we'll do here. We mark it good. Then we'll now go to emboss to make it look. You can see that this one looks clean. So let me just go there. It looks slicky. So let me go there to make this pro also look slicky by adding emboss. Put on your emboss. Wow, look at that. And you see that? So we can actually increase the intensity. Let's see. Wow, hardness, bevel, mark good. Okay, that's it. Like a pro in 1 week. Okay, let us arrange it and begin to lock the text one by one. This size is okay for learn how to move our design up a bit. Then 3D logo, let's move it this way. Okay, our pro is going to be here. Okay, like a, wow, going to increase the size so that I'll be able to pick it like a. So this is going to be so nice after the design. So in 1 week, reduce it a bit. So now we'll log this in later. Now. So let me just bring this one here and make the color what? The color is going to be yellow actually. We'll make the color yellow color. Yes. Then contact. That's the contact. Let me reduce this one also. Shouldn't come this far. Contact. Okay. So let this come out a bit. Okay. Okay. I'll make this yellow color. I'm going to make this color yellow. Okay. Now we're almost there. What's next? The next thing we'll do now is, you notice that we have some flyers, some ready-made flyers that was added, flyers and logos that were added by the side of the logo. So let me just bring in those ones. We're not bringing those ones now. So let's go to add from gallery. From gallery, what's the first one? This, isn't it? So make it round. No. Okay, I think it's okay. It's okay. I think it's okay. So this is round. So which one? Okay, that's not the first one actually. That's not the first one. But let's just place this one here. So we add the shape effects, shape effect. So we'll go to stroke. We'll first add a stroke. We enable stroke for it. We give the stroke color yellow, mark it good. Then we'll go to 3D shape. We enable it oblique, okay? Oblique. Then you reduce the depth. Reduce the depth. Reduce the depth. Okay. Mark it good, so that it will look real, you know. That is the purpose, to make it look real. So okay, let me move this thing a bit. I think I'm going to edit this text. Edit on slot available. Enter. Okay. Now we have it exactly the way it is. So let's add what? Okay, let's go to the first one actually now. I want to add from gallery. From gallery, I'm going to add this logo. Okay, make it round. Close up. Close up. Close up. Okay, close up. Is it okay this way? Yes. Now it's okay that way. Make it smaller. We add. So just follow the process. We add stroke to it. We enable stroke. The color is what? Yellow. We mark it good. What's next? We'll go to 3D shape. 3D shape, we enable it oblique. Reduce the depth. Reduce the depth to make it look great. Okay? 3 is okay. No. Let me reduce it a bit. Let me reduce to, okay. Let's come back to 2. Okay. I think 2 is okay. So we have this as 2. Now let us bring in a flyer. We're going to bring in the flyer from gallery. Wow. As you can see, our work is coming out very nice. So don't forget, we have just imported another one. We will add stroke to it. This one will not add 3D shape. Stroke, add a stroke, color yellow. Let's increase the stroke with a bit and mark it good. So I've increased the stroke width because this is a flyer. I want to make this flyer look exactly the way it is on this our flyer. So let me select it and make it flat. So we go to 3D rotate. We just go straight to 3D rotate and rotate it. Rotate it. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Yes. So let it be like this. Let's reduce it a bit. Okay, that's that. Which one is next? Yes, we still have one more logo to add. We'll go back there. We'll add from gallery. Okay. Yes, this logo is next. Where is it? Where are you? Come out, wherever you are. Except if the logo is not here, we are going to use another one. Okay, it's here. Let's mark it good. Okay, let's just put it in the round shape, okay? Because it looks as if it's on round, it's rounded. Okay, do you remember this logo? This was the logo we designed in our 3D logo class. Don't forget. So this was the logo we designed in our 3D logo class. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And this one also that we are making right now, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, okay? Please. And if you have already done that, we are happy and we are greeting you. Thank you so much. So let's mark this good. And make it small. We add stroke to it. We add stroke to it. Stroke, 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 stroke. We mark it good. What color? Yellow. Don't forget. We mark it good. Then we go straight to our 3D shape and add an oblique effect to it. Oblique effect on that 3D shape and reduce the depth. We reduce the depth. Okay, this depth is okay, right? Okay. Okay. So we'll make it, bring it here, make it smaller. Bring it here, make it smaller. Okay. So let's move this to this side and bring it down. Bring it here. Okay. Isn't this so great? Yes, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Yes. Are we there yet? Are we there yet? What's remaining? I think we are almost there, or let me say we are there. Yes, we are there. Wow. You all in this class deserve a clap. Yes. You can see that we have actually achieved this view. We have actually achieved this. Learn how to design 3D logo and flyer with your phone like a pro in 1 week. Okay, what's next here? Okay, so let me edit this. Let me add S. 3D logos and flyers. Edit. 3D logos and flyers. 3D logos and flyers. Okay, I think this is nice. So that is it. Now the next thing we want to do now, or the last thing we want to do now, is to add shadow to all the text. Look at that. This is funny. I want to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, I think it's okay like this. I'll bring this one down. Okay. Okay. So since we have gotten this, let us remove this one. We just delete it. Delete. Bye bye. We don't need you again. Let me remove this thing from the lady's mouth so that people will know that she's smiling. She's happy about what she has just learned. Okay. Now see what we have just designed. Isn't this looking so beautiful? Yes, it's so beautiful. Now I want you to design this logo, this flyer with your own brand. That is with your business name, with your contacts, and with different images. Please use your own content so that it will not look as if you are editing my own design. So please use your own content. Yes. I think we have actually achieved this. The last thing we want to do now is to add shadow to all these texts. So we'll go and select them under this layer. Click on layer. Let's choose the text one by one. Let's click on this mark button down here. That's selection tool. So the selection tool, we mark this, and 1 week we mark. We leave the pro. We add the mark. You know the pro has a different effect, so we don't need shadow for it. Like then 3D logos and flyers. The design also will leave it because it has its own effect. Learn how to remark it. Okay, so we are going to group this together. We're actually going to group this together. Are you sure you want to match the selected objects? Okay. They are matched now. They are matched to be one. So have we actually matched all? Yes is the answer. So let's close the layer page. So the next thing we do is to add shadow. Yes, shadow. Shadow is always the last thing to put on your work. So don't put it before, put it after. So shadow, enable shadow, black color. Okay, blur radius should be reduced so that your shadow will look sharp. You need to reduce the blur radius. If you increase it, the shadow will be scattered on the page. If you reduce it, it's going to look sharp. So you might not see it now because I've not moved it. So let me move the shadow now. Can you see our shadow? Yes. So let's position it to where we want it. Okay. Let me just. So that's offset X, offset Y. Offset Y. Okay. Okay. Can you see that? Let's mark it good. So we have our design completed. So that is how we have made the design. So now let us save it. Don't forget to always save your work. Let's first save as project. P-Help graphics design class. P-Help graphics design class. P-F should be capital letters. P-Help graphic design class. Flyer. Okay. Now we have saved the project. So we have saved it in Pixellab in a way that we can edit it again. So now let us now save it as an image. Save as image. And now saving as image, save to gallery. So it's going to render the image. Let's wait for that. Wow, image saved. Can you see that? So if you go to gallery, you will meet the image there. File. You see the image there. Let's see. Okay, look at our image. Yes, this is lovely. Yes, see what we just designed. Can you see that? Yes. If you notice, this was the former one. It has some white text. Look at the hair, the lady's hair on top. You see that it has white text. But this one that we just did now does not have. So you can see that there is virtually no difference. So beautiful. So that is the design. This is the flyer I want to show you. And I know you have really enjoyed this video, isn't it? So right now, in our former video, we have already told you that we have a super class that you are going to join, and due to the signal we received that our the people that are going to design our certificate, they are ready. So we want all of you to pay for the certificate, which is just 1,500 naira. So please do that. We have already dropped the link. We have already dropped the link in our WhatsApp group, and you can as well call 070-3861-6691 to know more about our super class. So our super class is already going on. Please join the class. So many have paid, and I'm still waiting for others to pay so that they will also enjoy the benefits of all we are going to learn in the super class. We are going to learn so many things there, how to use different software to do graphics on our computers, and we are also going to finalize it with how to use video software on your phone to design something that will advertise you, a short video that will advertise your new skill to the world. So we will be expecting you to join our super class, and don't forget, it is only those that have paid for the certificate that will be joining that super class. So that is just the information. So I know you have really enjoyed this video. Your project now is to design your own flyer with your own brand. Yes, put your contact information on it and post it so that people will contact you for a job. By so doing, you'll be able to make money to get your own laptop, so that all the software we are going to be teaching you in the super class, you have a laptop to work with, to do all the projects we are going to give you in the super class. I'm so happy and excited about this class because all the things we are showing you are so interesting, and I know you are loving it. So please do all your projects, get to work. We have really taught you, you have learned. Yes, now we want you to create so that you can learn, you can earn. Go and create so that you can earn. I love you guys. See you in our next video.